Hey! Hello friends. Today we will draw a candle. Shall I tell you a short story about a candle? Once upon a time, in a little village, there was a candle named Flamey, who dreamed of being a lighthouse. One foggy evening, a small boat was struggling to find its way back to the shore. The lighthouse was out, and the boat was in danger. The villagers decided to help, and they placed Flamey on the highest hill. He was lit with care, and his flame rose high into the sky. The boat saw Flamey's light and followed it safely back to the village. Finally, Flamey had become the smallest lighthouse, but his light was the brightest of all. From that day on, Flamey was known as the candle who saved the day. And if you like this video, please subscribe, it will mean so much to me.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine.